Here's what we're going to do. Here is a 3x3 matrix with, or 3x3 system of equations with constants on the right. Turned it into an augmented matrix. That's a chapter 1 idea. And what we're going to do is we're going to row reduce this augmented matrix until this 3x3 looks like an identity matrix, because you can read that as x equals, y equals, and z equals when you get to the very bottom. I know you can't see the very bottom of the board. When we work through the top, I'll adjust the camera so you can see the rest. So the coefficients, 7, 1, negative 10, 7, 1, negative 10. The constants, you don't write equal sign, just write dot, dot, dot. 6, 5, 7, go there. Now what I'd like to do is get a 1 right here. I'd like to get it without dividing, because dividing by 7 will make fractions. So my idea was, let's do 2 times 4 is 8, minus 7 is 1. 2 times row 3 minus row 1 replaces row 1. So mentally, we did the following. 2 times row 1 minus, 2 times row 3 minus row 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 10, negative 2 times negative 5. 10 plus negative 10 is 0. Actually, that is negative 10 plus 10. Then 7 times 2, 14, minus 6 is 8. So now let's try and use this 1 to cancel out the 7 and the 4. That's how we get this matrix. We get a 1 here, then we use that 1 to kill off the other numbers below to get those 2 zeros. So they call it clearing out the column. So that's what we're going to do. Negative 7 times row 1 plus row 2 replaces row 2. That'll give me a 0 there. Negative 4 times row 1 plus row 3 replaces row 3. That'll give me a 0 there. So this 7 tells me what to do. This 4 tells me what to do. That's how we do these things. So once I get that 0 here, I still have to do the rest of the row. Once I get this 0 here, I have to do the rest of the row. And here's the recipes. Pull this in just a hair so you can see it. There they are. All right. Now, from here we go down. I'm going to do some moves because I got this 1 in this great spot. I'm going to use this 1 to clear this column. So this isn't written down, but I'm going to say it out loud to you. Row 2 plus row 1, replacing row 1. Negative 4 times row 2 plus row 3, replacing row 3. And that's how I get the 0, 1, 0 in this column. Now that I have this 1 here, I'm in great shape. I can get a 1 here by just multiplying negative 1 times row 3, because 0 times negative 1 is 0. So the 0 stay, this becomes a 1. I can use this 1 to bump off these 2 negative ones. This just becomes a negative 179. See it? Good. Then I'm going to use the 1, actually this 1, to bump off these 2 negative ones. So here's the moves. It is the new row 3 plus row 2 replacing row 2, the new row 3 plus row 1 replacing row 1. And I get negative 222, negative 230, negative 179, and those are the x, y, and z that solve. Boy, it'd be tough to find those just by guessing. Now, the thing that we would be doing that is more useful is we're going to do this problem using these same commands to find the inverse matrix of the coefficient matrix. That's your homework assignment. I have the answers. Good luck.